I'm going to show you how to get Kahoot Answers. Now, this method does work as of 2022, and I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to do it step by step in this video. So as you can see, I actually have just a Kahoot opened up here just as a sample, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys exactly all the steps that you can follow. So now just a prerequisite step, what you need to actually do is just go to kahoot.com and make sure it's kahoot.com and not kahoot.it. On this website, you're going to have to go ahead and just create a Kahoot account. You can either go ahead and sign up for an account, or I'm just going to go ahead and log in since I already have an account. And creating an account is completely free. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue with my Google account and log in. And once I get here, I just want to go ahead and make sure I'm under the Discover tab. And what we can actually do is we just want to locate where the search bar is, and it's right here. And I'll show you why that's important in just a second. Now, what we're going to actually go ahead and do is go back to this Kahoot I just had, the game that's already made, and I'm just going to join it. So I see the game pin is 396083. So I'll just put that in here, 396083. Just enter. Sample player 1. I'll just put that in just so there is at least a player on the screen, and as you can see I popped up. So we're going to go ahead and start the Kahoot, and what we want to pay attention to is finding out what the actual title of this Kahoot is, and I'll show you where it'll say that in a second. So I started it. It's just going to pop up with this, and you can see the title is all about smartphones. So I'm just going to go ahead and search up all about smartphones on the website that we went to before, and as you can see actually they're the first one right here. And what you can see is once you get to the Kahoot, it'll show you actually all the questions, and on each question it shows actually what the answer is, and you can see that. You can also click show answers at the top right, and it'll show you the answers for every question. So if we go back, the first question is what company made the first cell phone in 1973? The answer is Motorola. So we go back here, and we can see what company made the first cell phone, like we just saw. We know the answer is Motorola, so red triangle. And we're just going to put that in. And as you can see, that was correct. Now let's go to the second question. And it says the first smartphone was made in ... We see the answer is going to be the green square, 1992. Let's go back to the question. Let's click next, next. See, the first question, or sorry, the first smartphone was made in ... We know it's the green square. We already saw the answer, so we can just put that in, and we're automatically going to get that question right as well. So this is exactly how to get Kahoot Answers, and this does work as of 2022. Now, if you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment down below, but if you did enjoy this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And other than that, thank you so much for watching.